How to fix your iPhone mail is not showing all emails. So if you're missing emails from the Mail app, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up the Mail app like so. Click on this icon in the bottom left-hand side and just make sure you don't have any filters set up. So if you go ahead and click on filtered by, make sure all of these options are checked like so. And you can also try refreshing the page just by dragging downwards and then just go and turn this filter off. Now, if it's still not working, we're going to click on the back arrow in the top left-hand side of the screen. You can then go and click on all inboxes. And once again, check to see if you can see your emails from here. Now, if it's not working, close out of this app and you'll need to go and load up the settings on your phone. From the settings page, we're going to scroll right down to the bottom and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see the Mail app and go and click on this. Now click on Mail Accounts, click on Fetch New Data, and make sure you have Push turned on and enabled. You can also scroll down to Fetch and make sure this is set to automatically. Now scroll back up to your different email accounts and go and click on each of these and just make sure Push is turned on like this, and you can do the same for your other email accounts as well. Just make sure that both Fetch and also Push is turned on. Now if it's still not working, come back over to the previous window and go and select the mail account that you're having issues with. Make sure you have Mail toggled to on like so, and if it's still not working, you may need to go and delete this account, and then you can just try re-adding the account once it's deleted. So once you've deleted your account, you can press the Add Account button here. You can then press Choose from a list, and you can go through the steps to re-add your email account. Now once you've done this, you can try heading back over to the Mail app, and you should now be able to see all of your missing emails.